Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to activate your global entry card or TSA Pre card, which you get after you apply for a global entry through Trusted Travelers program. So if you come to this website ttp.cbp.dhs.gov, from here Homeland Security, this website Trusted Traveler programs, there are different cards, right, like TSA Pre, then global entry, Nexus, and some other card, and each card has some fee. So basically you need to apply and you need to pay the fee, and then after that you will get the card. So global entry and global entry, it is included with TSA Pre. Okay, so this is included and best for all travelers and frequent international travelers, 4+ trips per year. It is good. So I have this card, I got this card today, and basically uh, after getting the card we need to renew that card. So in this video I'm going to show you how to renew this global entry card. So once you come to this website, basically what you need to do, you need to log in your account, and then it will give you the notification, like security notifications, some of the things it mentioned. Then you have to go through this button, consent and continue. We have to press here, and then it will bring us here. So here there is option to sign in, so we just need to email and password, and then we have to sign in. So this is actually a login.gov ID. When you applied for global entry, I believe you already applied, and then you created this global not global login.gov ID at the time you created. So basically you can put all the information and you can sign in to logging your account. So once you log in your account, then you have to activate your card. So once you have the card, you will see on the back side of your card there is 3-digit security code. I'm going to show you. So basically to activate it. Now let's see how we can activate it. Once we are successful able to log in our TSA account or global entry or travelers account, then we'll find this mention, like we have to come down, you will find a square box like this where it mentioned like program name. Mine is global entry, and there is a membership number, expiration date, and when I can activate it again, I mean renew it again, not activate. And then after that there is a big blue box, white text is mentioning activate membership card. To activate we just need to click here. So I'm going to click this activate membership card, and then it will bring this type of window. In this window you will see a preview of your TSA card, which is the back side of your TSA card or global entry card, whatever we say, both cards almost the same. So here you will find a 3-digit number on the very big font. It is mentioning like SC, something like that, like security clearance something it means probably. So over there you will find a 3-4 digits number. So we just need to copy that number or type that number to security code. Basically there is a box here, security code. We just need to type that code here. Also on the picture you are seeing that the same thing. So we just need to type that security code. Once we type the security code, then there is another button at the bottom almost, it is called activate card. We just need to press this button to activate this card. So I am going to click this button now, and once I click this button, then I am getting this type of message: card activation successful. This is alert box, and here it mentioned your membership card is now active and can be used when entering the United States at a land border. And then there is a button return to dashboard, and we can click here to complete the activation. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily activate our global entry card or TSA card when we got that card, and then we can use it for like to travel through the border to USA to Canada or Mexico, or we can use the same number like membership number to travel internationally. Generally we don't need to carry the card when you travel by air, but you can keep it just in case if you need that. I generally used to keep it with me always. So that's it guys. Hopefully this video will be very helpful for you to activate your global entry or TSA card once you get that from the traveler program, basically through which you just applied. Thank you guys for watching the video.